Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link CIBC credit card to debit card right over there. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, if you have been trying to connect them or link them, all you have to do is tap on this browser of yours and simply type in CIBC.com on top and get into the official website. And right over here, sign in and tap on this three horizontal line on top right left corner of the screen and tap on this option of ways to bank right over here. And once this kind of interface has been popped up, all you have to do is simply browse through all of the articles. It will be easy for you. Scroll down and simply tap on this option of learn more about online banking, and right away you're gonna find this kind of interface. This will simply access the features, how you can use it, what it does it offer you to simply use and link. All you have to do is again scroll down to the bottom till you find this option of register for digital banking. Go ahead, tap on it, and this you can see step 1, you have to enter your card details, which will simply you're gonna go ahead, enter your card number on top, your card expiry date, phone number on file, and simply tap on this next, and you will be able to connect your card to your CIBC account. Same goes for the multiple cards that you own. You simply have to do the same process and link as many cards as you want, and you're good to go. So this is the process for you. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.